Navigating the journey from farm to table is more intricate than ever, but with Cloud ERP, we make it straightforward. Starting from agriculture manufacturing, Cloud ERP offers comprehensive real-time insights into crop management. Achieve peak productivity and streamline your operations effortlessly. Our cutting-edge system refines every facet of agricultural management. Track crop health, allocate resources, and predict yields, all within a user-friendly interface. As your harvest transitions to the packing phase, Cloud ERP facilitates smooth logistics and precise traceability. Real-time data integration ensures flawless coordination from manufacturing through to food packing. During food packing, our ERP solution connects with state-of-the-art automation, boosting efficiency, minimizing errors, and adhering to rigorous food safety standards. With Cloud ERP, each product is meticulously tracked from production to delivery, ensuring exceptional quality and compliance throughout the entire process. From agriculture to food packing, Cloud ERP delivers a unified solution for a seamless, efficient, and transparent supply chain. Discover how Cloud ERP can revolutionize your agriculture and food packing operations. Visit our website to learn more and start your transformation today.